Good evening, people. Sorry about the quality of the camera, but it's just gonna be a first of all, hope you're doing very well. 786 setup, guys, live in the making. Whilst I was at work, alerts were going off. 786, got below it, got above it. I was like, all right, looking juicy. Not my actually, I wasn't too keen on this setup, but I still took it anyway because it's my A+ setup. On the 3-minute time frame, I entered, and then we went up and we went down, and then we went up, and now we're just kind of moving up slowly but surely. We'll have to just see how price reacts at the 382 and the 236 level, if we can even get there. Got alerts set, so I shall make an update when the alerts go off. So yeah, this is a screenshot of when I was eyeing up the trade on the 3-minute time frame, and then this is it on the 1 hour.
Good morning, people. It's currently the next morning at 11:07 a.m. and as you can see, we was here and full TP hit at the 382, fully accepting the fact that the 236 can hit, but time will tell. Full TP at the 382 level, 786 to the 382 setup, up 3.5 RR. Good morning, people. This is just a post trade video update on the 786 setup. You can see it's taken from that low to the high. The green line, the 786. I already mentioned this, but we got below, we got above. I entered long, targeting. Initially I was targeting the 382, but from now on I will be targeting the 236. 236 got smashed, and if I had held the trade, which I probably wouldn't, I'm always going to target the 236, because if you didn't, you would have got above it and got below it. That would have been playing with your emotions. So best to just get out at the 236. But if you want to take like a 90% partial at the 236, stop loss to break even, and let it ride, then you can see that it's just been up ever since. So that's the post trade video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's just a simple 786 setup to the 236, one of my A+ setups on Bitcoin. And if you enjoyed the video, which I hope you have, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.